Greeting fellow looters or loot craters. This is February's loot crate unboxing. This month's theme Warriors. Let's get things out of the way. Oh wait, something's amiss. What is this? Something feels different. Not quite the same. Let's take a look at this box versus last month's box. There's a difference. I see a difference. Let's get to math. Something's amiss, looters. This month's box is 172 cubic inches. Last month was 300. What is this? What is this? Well, maybe it has good stuff inside anyways. Let's see. Oh, cool. Bravest Warrior bow tie. Alpha Battle t-shirt. Oh, that's not as cool as the Epic Console Award one, but it's still good. Let's see, we have this vinyl, Dunny Sideshow by Kid Robot. Let's see, let me open it up. Break the seal. Stay furry. See what? Let's hit some details. Of course, we have our monthly magazine. So Dunny Sideshow or Bob Line box figure. You know, for a little bit late for Valentine's, but a Bacon Love gift card. Ooh, what's this? You know, some greeting card stuff. Ooh, codes to download Bravest Warriors. Because when you pay $15 for something physical, you want digital rewards. Now let's see. Bravest Warrior stickers. Nice little cinch bag. Oops. And a pin. Yeah. Not feeling the excitement this month. Just kind of shocking to see something go from 300 square inches to 172. Maybe it's a way cost cutting, lean months, going into like the anime, video game / comic book convention season. So maybe all their manufacturers and providers are keeping stuff away for swag bags for the conventions. For the people going to PAX East this year, who actually managed to get a ticket, congratulations. This will be the first PAX East since the very first one that I couldn't go to because sold out too quick, and I'm not going to pay a fine because you sold half the tickets to. Oh, no, rant, calm. Let go of the PAX East anger. Let's give the PAX East anger. Well, that was a quick little one. Let me upload this. Sayonara.